Hey everybody, today I've got a great video for you. We're going to be installing this lithium iron phosphate 12 volt battery from Ohmmu in my Kia EV6. So EVs are unfortunately known to have issues with the 12 volt battery, and the eGMP vehicles, the EV6, Ioniq 5, GV60, they're no exception. Most people are fine, but some people have had problems. That's where Ohmmu comes in. They've been around for some time now and are pretty popular in the Tesla world for upgrading their 12 volt batteries. And with the release of the eGMP platform, they've branched out to offer nice 12 volt battery upgrades for our vehicles as well as many others. Their lithium iron phosphate 12 volt batteries, or LFP, or LiFePO4, offer many advantages over typical lead acid batteries installed from the manufacturer. They last longer, they have more power and less voltage sag, they're significantly lighter, they're more efficient, and they're less toxic. So I'm excited to get it installed, and I'm actually going to be giving one away very soon, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm doing the giveaway. Now, the battery is a direct replacement, and it looks good. It comes with an information card here too, with support and warranty information. It's got a handle to carry it, which is nice, and it is pretty light. I'll go ahead and weigh it here. And it's only 12.4 pounds, so there will definitely be a weight savings. Now, location-wise, the 12 volt battery is under the hood for the EV6. It's partially under the front trunk area here. And the Ohmmu battery will just fit right in its place, so let's get it installed. To get started, we're going to remove the fuse box cover here. And then to disable the high voltage battery, we're going to pull this tab up, and it's very easy. Then to access the 12 volt battery, we're going to open the frunk. And we're going to pull up on the portion above the battery, and it just pops right out. Then we'll take a 10mm socket and remove the negative battery terminal first. And we'll set that aside. Then we'll remove the positive battery terminal. And we'll set that one off to the side too. Now looking down in here, there is a bracket with a single bolt in it that holds the battery in tight. We'll take a 12mm socket and take out that bolt and bracket to free the battery. Now that that's out, we'll take out the battery. You slide it to the front of the vehicle and lift up on the back. Then we'll tilt it a little bit and pull it right out. And now we'll take the Ohmmu battery and install it in its place. We'll take that bracket that we removed and reinstall it. Be sure to slide the battery to the rear of the vehicle and to the driver's side so everything lines up as it should. Then we'll tighten down the bolt and verify the battery is tight and secure. Then we'll take the caps off the new battery and reinstall the terminals. And we'll go ahead and pop back in the cover for the frunk. Then we'll push that tab back down to re-engage the high voltage battery and reinstall the fuse box cover. And we are good to go. Everything fits nicely and looks good. Now let's weigh the factory battery. It's much heavier than the Ohmmu battery. And it's coming in at 31.6 pounds. So the new Ohmmu battery is 19 pounds lighter than the factory. Now, on a 4,600 pound car, that's not a lot, but every little bit of weight savings helps. So overall, I'm very pleased with the Ohmmu battery. Installation was very easy, and I'm excited about all the benefits and peace of mind that it offers. I'll post a link to the EV6 battery on their website, ohmmu.com, in the description for you guys, where you can get one for yourself. And again, they have batteries for several other EVs as well. They aren't cheap, but when you look at all the advantages and significantly longer lifespan, it's definitely worth it if you ask me. And if you use promo code TechJeff, you can save 5% too. So be sure to use that. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. I've been using my car with the Ohmmu battery installed now for a little while and haven't had any issues, in case you're curious. Make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming giveaway and a lot of other things I have in the pipeline for you guys. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.